Okay guys, here is the project that I talk about, the electric cooler box. It looks like a Indel B and it works with 220 volt and 12 volt. And the complaint is it doesn't make cold very nice. So and inside it's not very clean. So there's the electric cord. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it first on battery mode to see if what is the temperature after a while on 12 volt, because I know on 220 it's not very cold according to the owner. So we can then confirm, is it maybe PC board fault or something where it changed from 12 to 220, or is it a gas issue, or is it a temperature sensor issue? So let's plug it into the car on 12 volt and we'll check the temperature now. I've got a meter, or yeah, it will indicate here in any case, and then we will check it after a while. Okay guys, I'm sitting in the sun and it's on the car, and it show if it show E1. I'm not sure what it means, but let me give it a little bit of time and see if it will get a little bit cold. Okay, and I've got the temperature meter here, which show it's now in the sun with the probe, so it's 31 or 32 degrees. So I'm going to put it in and we will check after a couple of minutes if it drop. Okay guys, there is the cooler box. Let's go and check the temperature. It's about an hour later. So if the thermometer is not at least colder than 20 degrees, we will bring it in the shop and see what's going on. Let's go and see what it is. Okay guys, on the display it say now 12 degrees. Let me just put the flash off. Okay guys, it shows 13 degrees. That's not bad. Maybe I must leave it another hour. Okay, okay guys, it's now another hour and it still shows 13, which is not good enough for a refrigerator. So I think we must take it into the shop and start looking. Okay guys, it's now on mains 220, so I'll give it a little bit of time and see, because it's the first time that this max light come on. Okay guys, it's on the table now on 220 and I see the max light come on. So let's give it a little bit of time and see it will drop further down. Okay guys, I decided to take this back panel off. It's sit on its side, and there is the compressor, and I know it's not good so that it sit on its side, but look at all this dust. I wonder if the airflow wasn't good enough. Let me check it out a little bit. Okay guys, that looked much better. I took my compressed air and blow it out. So I'm going to put it on its top again. Give it a chance for the oil to drain down and everything, and we see if it makes a difference. Okay, I started again now. So let's give it an hour again. And there is the cooler box. I don't think you've seen it from a distance. Okay guys, let's switch it off and make it open again and feel if something is hot or cold there. Okay guys, the pump itself is a little bit warm, basically nothing, and the pipes feels the same, so it's not actually any heat or cold. This is room temperature. So I think the gas might be gone. So I'll talk to the owner and see if we will fill it up.